friends, today my topic scale, subject name engineering graphics. Now first definition, a scale is defined as the ratio of the linear dimension of the object represented in drawing to the actual dimension of the same. Now object draw with the same size as object are called full size drawing. It is not convenient always to draw drawing of object to its actual size. Example: building, heavy machine, bridge, watches, electronics device, etc. And the scale are used prepared drawing as first full size, second one reduced size, and third one enlarged size. Now BIS recommended scale. First reducing scale means 1 jam y greater than 1 means 1 jam 2, 1 jam 5, 1 jam 10, 1 jam 20, etc. Second one enlarging scale means x jam 1 x value x greater than 1 means 50 jam 1, 2 jam 1, 2 jam 1, 5 jam 1, etc. Third one full size scale means 1 jam 1. The intermediate scale can be used in expressional case where recommended scale cannot be applied for functional reason. Types of scale, generally two types of scale: engineering scale, second one graphical scale. Now engineering scale, the relation between the dimension of the drawing and the actual dimension of the object is mentioned numerically like 10 mm upon 10 mm is equal to 15 mm. Now second one graphical scale. The graphical scale is drawn on the drawing itself. The take care of the shrinkage of engineer scales when the drawing become old. Now types of graphical scale: first plane scale, second one diagonal scale, third one vernier scale. Representative factors: RF is equal to length of object on drawing upon actual length of object means RF is equal to 1 centimeter upon 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 100. Now first scale, plane scale. A plane scale consists of line divided into suitable number of equal units. The first unit is divided into smaller parts. The zero should be placed the end of first main part. From 0 marks, the unit should be numbered to right and subdivision to left. The units and subdivision should be liberated clearly. The RF should be mentioned below the scale. Metrics measurements. So 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. 10 meters is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeters is equal to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometers is equal to 1 kilometer. And 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Construct a scale 1 jam 4 to show centimeters and long and out to measure up 5 decimeters. Mark on its distance of 3.7 decimeters. Now first RF is equal to 1 upon 4. The length of scale means RF multiplied by maximum length means 1 upon 4 multiplied by 5 decimeters is equal to 12.5 centimeters. Draw a line 12.5 centimeter long and divide into 5 equal division, each representing 1 decimeter. Mark 0 at end of the first division and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the end of each substance division to its side. Divide the first division into 10 equal subdivision, each representing 1 centimeter. Mark centimeter to the left of 0 A. So, draw the scale as rectangle of small width about 3 mm, its stand of only a line. Draw the divide line showing decimeter throughout the width of scale. Draw thick and dark horizontal line in the middle of the all alternate division and subdivision. Below the scale print decimeter on right hand side and centimeter on left hand side and RF in the middle. Now 3.7 decimeters, now 3 decimeters and 0.7 centimeters show in figure. Now another problem, construct a scale of 1 gem 40 to read meters and decimeters and long enough to measure 6 meters. Mark on its distance 4.7 meters. Now first, given RF is equal to 1 upon 40, the maximum is equal to 6 mm, C least count is equal to 1 decimeter. Now calculate length of scale, means L is equal to RF multiplied by maximum length is equal to 1 upon 40 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 100 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. Now draw a rectangle having length AB is 15 centimeter and width AD is equal to 10 mm. As the length of scale represents 6 meter, divide into 6 equal parts so that each part may represent 1 meter and mark the main units as shown. Divided the first part OA into 10 division, so each division may represent 1 decimeter. Mark subunits on scale as shown. Write RF below on the scale. Mark 4.7 meter length on scale, means 4 meter on right side of the 0 mark and 7 decimeter on left side of 0 mark. So in figure. Another scale, diagonal scale. Throughout the diagonal scale, measure can be up to second decimal, means 4.35. Diagonal scale are used to measure distance in units and its immediate to subdivision. Example, decimeters, centimeters, millimeters or yard, foot and inch. The diagonal scale can measure more accurately than plane scale. Now diagonal scale main concept at and B of line A D. Draw a perpendicular. Step of 10 equal division of any length along the perpendicular starting from B and ending C. Number the division point 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Join A with C. Throughout the point 1, 2, 3, etc. Draw line parallel to AB and cutting AC at 1, 2, 3, etc. Since the triangles are similar, 11 is equal to 0.1 AB, 22 is equal to 0.2 AB, 99 is equal to 0.9 AB. Give division of a given short line AB in multiply by 1 upon 100 its length, means 0.1 AB, 0.2 AB, 0.3 AB, etc. Construct a diagonal scale RF 3 Gem 2000 200 showing meters, decimeters and centimeter. The scale should measure up 6 meter, showing distance 4.56 meters. RF is equal to 3 upon 200. Length of scale 3 upon 200 multiplied by 6 meters of multiplied by 9 centimeters. Draw a line AB is equal to 9 centimeter. Divide into 6 equal parts. Divide the first part A0 into 10 equals division. At A, draw perpendicular and step off along its 10 equal division ending of D. The complete rectangle ABCD. Draw perpendicular meter division 1, 2, 3 and 4. Draw horizontal line through the division point on AD. Join D with end of first division along A0. Through remain point 8, 7, 6. Draw line to D9. PQ is equal to 4.56 meter, showing figure. Another problem, the distance between Delhi and Agra 200 kilometers. In the railway map, it's the represented by line 5 centimeter long. Find RF. Draw a diagonal scale to show single kilometers and maximum 600 kilometers. Indicates on its following distance 222 kilometers, 336 kilometers, 459 kilometers, and fourth one 69 kilometers. Now RF is equal to 5 upon 200 is equal to 1 upon 40 lakh. Length of scale 1 upon 40 lakh multiplied by 600 multiplied by 105 is equal to 15 centimeters. So in figures, middle are RF 1 upon 40 lakh. Now first, so in figure 2.2 kilometers means first 200 means 2 lines and 22 subdivision. Second one 336 kilometers means 300 kilometers. Main line and 36 subdivision, so in etc. Figure, so in figure 459 669 kilometers, so in figure. Now third scale, 1 year scale. Similar to diagonal scale, 1 year scale is used for measuring up to second decimal. A 1 year scale consists first primary scale and second one 1 year scale. The primary scale is plain scale fully divided into minor division. The graduation on the 1 year are divided from those one. Least count means LC is minimum distance, then can be measured. Two types of 1 year scale, forward 1 year scale and second one backward 1 year scale. Forward 1 year scale LC is equal to MSD minus VSD. Showing valuation MSD 0.1 kilometer means 1 hectometer. LC express term of MSD is equal to 1 upon 10 MSD. 1 ESD is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 is equal to 9 upon 10 MSD, 0.9 kilometer. Backward 1 year scale is equal to LC VSD minus MSD. Now 1 year scale concept, the length of A0 represents 10 centimeter and is divided into 10 equal parts, each representing 1 centimeter. B0 is equal to 11 means 1 plus 10, such equal parts 11 centimeter. Divided B0 into 10 equal division, each division of B0 will be equal 11 upon 10 means 1.1 centimeter or 11 mm. The difference between one part of A0 and one part of B0 is equal to 1.1 centimeter minus 1.0 centimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter or 1 mm. Now showing figure millimeters, decimeters and centimeter we will do. Now example, draw a 1 year scale RF is equal to 1 upon 25 to read up to 4 meter. On its show length 2.39 m and 0.91 meter. Now first length of scale means RF 1 upon 25, length of scale 1 RF multiplied by 4 multiplied by 100 means 16 centimeter. Draw a 60 mm long line and divide into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1 meter. Divided each a part into 10 equal parts, so in decimeters, 10 centimeters. Take 100 parts. The length is divided into 10 equal parts. Each of these parts will show length of 1.1 decimeter or 100 centimeters. To measure 2.39 meters, place one leg of divided at A1 99 centimeters. Mark and other leg of B1 1.4 mark means 0.99 plus 1.5 is equal to 2.39. To measure 0.91 meters, place the divide C and D means 8.0 plus 0.11 is equal to 0.91. Thank you.